История о том, как уйгур-уркаш отчитал премьера Китая Ли Пена и поднял послушных китайцев на революцию против диктатуры коммунистической партии. Китайцы много кричали в толпе, но только уркаш, уйгурский лидер восстания на Тяньаньмэне, не побоялся дерзко высказаться в лицо самому лидеру Китая. Премьер Китая в ступоре от такой смелости уйгурского мальчика. Напоминание о древнем страхе Китая перед уйгурами.
On the streets leading down to the main road to Tiananmen Square, furious people stared in disbelief at the glow in the sky, listening to the sound of shots.
The following day, Premier Li Peng summoned a group of student leaders to the Great Hall of the People for a televised meeting. Some hunger strikers came straight from their hospital beds.
当然，同志们提出了2个问题，很关心，我们是理解的。作为一个政府的总理，作为一个共产党员，不隐瞒自己的观点，但是我今天不讲。如果我们今天一味要在这个问题上纠缠，我认为是不合适的，是不理智的。
纠缠的不是我们这些学生代表。好，还有一点就是说，我认为我没有必要再把我一开始说过的话再重复一遍，但是好像有些领导同志还没有明白，那么我愿意再重复一遍。现在解决问题的关键并不是说服我们在座的这些人，问题在于怎么去让他们离开，他们离开的条件我已经说得很清楚了，刚才他们离开这里的条件我已经说得很清楚了。只有这一种可能性，这是客观现实、客观事实。我们如果广场上有一个人不离开，还在继续绝食的话，我们就很难保证剩下的几千人不离开。
In the pre-dawn hours of May 19th, a worn and haggard Zhao Ziyang appeared suddenly on Tiananmen Square.
There's never been a generation like ours, one that mocked the state, mocked the government, mocked the leaders. And there's never been a generation that has seen that the outside world is so beautiful. Cui Jian is China's most famous singer. His song Nothing to My Name expresses our feelings. Does our generation have anything? We don't have the goals our parents had. We don't have the fanatical idealism our older brothers and sisters once had. So what do we want? Nike shoes. Lots of free time to take our girlfriends to a bar. The freedom to discuss an issue with someone. And to get a little respect from society.
In this process, there was something so pure, so unforgettable.
And then we were very naive and very wrong. Political reform was never in the Chinese Communist Party's agenda. So the answer to our demand, to our surprise, of course, is a military suppression. So that's 1989. We were naive, but still today, I think in today's China, I think the younger generations, they are not as naive as we were, and then they are probably more individualist than we were.